wonder what happens behind the scenes of your favorite French fries? From the field to your plate, these humble potatoes go through a journey full of surprises. Stick around as we reveal the amazing process that transforms millions of potatoes into the crispy golden fries we all love. The journey of a French fry starts in vast potato fields, stretching across miles. Here, skilled farmers grow and tend to millions of potatoes, monitoring the soil, weather, and plant health to ensure a healthy crop. The process begins early, with months of careful planting and nurturing. When harvest season arrives, massive machines roll through the fields, pulling up thousands of potatoes from the ground. These machines are equipped to dig deep, loosen the soil, and gently lift the potatoes to avoid damaging them. After they're unearthed, the potatoes are gathered and placed into large containers, ready for transport. Once harvested, the potatoes don't stay in the fields for long. Time is essential to keep them fresh. Trucks arrive to load these freshly harvested potatoes, taking them on their first step from the field to the factory. These trucks are specially designed to carry heavy loads, ensuring the potatoes stay safe and intact during the journey. On the road, the trucks head toward large processing plants, where these potatoes will undergo an incredible transformation. As they approach the factory, each potato is about to be sorted, peeled, sliced, and prepared to eventually become the perfect French fry. Before the potatoes are even planted, the soil must be properly prepared. One key step in the preparation process is removing stones and larger debris from the fields. Stones can cause damage to planting equipment and interfere with the growth of the plants. Farmers use specialized machinery to sift through the soil and remove any large stones, rocks, and gravel. This ensures that the potatoes have a smooth, clean environment to grow in, preventing any damage during the planting and harvesting process. The journey of a French fry begins in the spring when the potato seeds, or seed potatoes, are planted in the fertile soil. Spring is the perfect time for planting because the soil temperature is optimal for potato growth. Farmers carefully plant the seed potatoes in well-spaced rows, ensuring that each potato has enough room to grow. The weather during spring provides the ideal conditions for the potatoes to begin sprouting and developing strong, healthy roots that will eventually produce the potatoes used for French fries. As the potatoes grow through the spring and summer months, they go through several stages. First, the plants begin to sprout small green shoots, signaling the start of their growth. Over time, the shoots turn into lush green foliage, which helps the plants photosynthesize and store energy in the tubers, the potatoes, underground. Throughout this growth stage, farmers continue to monitor the plants for pests, diseases, and any other factors that could hinder their development. The health of the plant is critical, as it directly affects the quality of the final product, your French fries. Once the plants have fully grown and the foliage begins to die off, it's time to prepare for harvest. The potatoes are now fully developed and ready to be dug up. As the potatoes mature and are ready for harvest, the next task is to remove the soil and gravel surrounding the tubers. This is done using harvesters that gently dig into the earth, loosening the soil around the potatoes and lifting them from the ground. The machinery also helps to separate the potatoes from the soil and any small gravel or rocks. Removing this excess soil and debris is crucial because any leftover dirt or rocks can affect the quality of the potatoes and complicate the cleaning process later in the factory. Once the potatoes arrive at the processing plant, the first step is sorting. This is where technology and careful attention come together. The potatoes are moved onto large conveyor belts where they're carefully examined. Machines with high-tech sensors scan each potato to detect any imperfections, such as bruises, blemishes, or defects. Each potato is then carefully sorted by size and quality. Only the best ones move forward in the process. Smaller or misshapen potatoes are set aside. This sorting process ensures that only the highest quality potatoes make it into the next stages of production. In some cases, workers may inspect the potatoes by hand, making sure everything is perfect. Their trained eyes look for anything that might affect the final product, like unwanted spots or damage that could make the fries less than perfect. This quality control step is essential for consistency. It guarantees that when you open a bag of French fries, each one is uniform in size and free from any flaws that might affect the taste or texture. Once the sorting is complete, the potatoes are ready for the next stage in their journey to becoming French fries. They're moved forward, cleaner and more uniform than ever before, to to begin their transformation. After the potatoes are sorted and inspected, the next step is washing. They are thoroughly cleaned in large machines that spray water at high pressure to remove dirt, debris, and any leftover soil. This washing process ensures the potatoes are clean and ready for the next step. Once the potatoes are clean, they move on to the peeling stage. In this part of the process, powerful peeling machines take over. These machines use either abrasive rollers or steam to remove the skin from each potato. The peeling process is fast and efficient, with the machines gently removing the skin without wasting much of the potato itself. This step is critical because it ensures that each potato is smooth and ready to be cut into perfect fry shapes. The peeling also ensures that no residual dirt or skin will remain, resulting in a clean, uniform product. Now that the potatoes are clean and peeled, they move to the cutting stage. The goal here is to transform the large, smooth potatoes into perfectly shaped fries. Specialized machines are used to slice the potatoes into even, uniform pieces. These machines use sharp blades that slice the potatoes into thin strips, or what we recognize as French fries. The cutting process is precise, ensuring that each fry is consistent in size and shape. This step is crucial for cooking the fries evenly when they're fried later on. Depending on the desired type of French fry, whether thin, thick, or crinkle cut, the cutting machines can be adjusted to create different shapes and sizes. The sliced potatoes are now ready to move on to the next important step in the process. Once the potatoes are cut, they undergo a crucial step called blanching. Blanching involves briefly cooking the fries in hot water or steam. This process helps preserve their color, texture, and taste. It also helps remove excess sugars from the potatoes, which could cause them to burn or become too dark during the frying process. Blanching is important because it ensures that the fries will be golden and crispy once they're fully cooked. The fries are dipped into hot water for a short time and then quickly cooled to stop the cooking process. This step locks in the natural potato flavor and gives the fries their firm yet fluffy texture when fried. After blanching, the fries are gently dried to remove excess moisture. This is important because too much water can affect the texture of the fries during frying. The drying process typically takes place in a hot air chamber or with spinning drums that rapidly remove the water. Once the fries are dried, they move on to the pre-frying stage. In this step, the fries are partially fried in hot oil at a lower temperature. This process helps seal in the flavor and begins the creation of a crispy outer layer. The pre-frying step is quick and helps maintain the shape and structure of the fries before they are frozen. Pre-frying also adds flavor and texture that will later be enhanced when the fries are fully fried at the restaurant or fast food location. Once the pre-frying is done, the fries are ready to be frozen and prepared for packaging. Immediately after pre-frying, the fries are frozen to lock in their freshness. This freezing process is done quickly, using extremely low temperatures to preserve the fries' taste, texture, and nutritional value. Freezing helps the fries maintain their crispy texture and ensures they stay fresh during transport and storage. Once frozen, the fries are easy to store and can be shipped long distances to grocery stores, fast food chains, and restaurants, where they'll be fully fried and served to customers. This quick freezing process also ensures that the fries don't lose any of their natural flavors or nutrients. Whether they're being stored for a few days or several months, freezing guarantees that the fries are as fresh as the day they were made. Now that the fries are fully prepared and frozen, it's time for packaging. The fries are carefully measured and packed into bags or boxes, ready for distribution. Each package is sealed to preserve freshness and maintain the quality of the fries during transportation. The packaging process is done in clean, controlled environments to prevent contamination. Once the fries are packed, they are labeled and prepared for shipment. Whether they are destined for supermarkets or fast food chains, the fries are loaded onto trucks and shipped out to locations around the world. This step ensures that fries are readily available for purchase or served in restaurants. The packaging also includes important information like cooking instructions, nutritional facts, and expiration dates, so customers can enjoy them safely and at their best. From field to plate, the journey of a potato into a French fry involves multiple stages, each carefully designed to ensure quality and taste. After being harvested, cleaned, cut, Blanched, pre-fried, frozen, and packaged, the fries are ready to be enjoyed by people everywhere. This process might be highly industrial, but each step plays an important role in creating that perfect, crispy French fry we all love. Now that you know the incredible journey these potatoes take, the next time you grab a handful of fries, you'll have a new appreciation for every crispy bite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food secrets you never knew you needed. See you in the next video.